Hello everyone, this is the FireFight Advanced MK17 mechanical gaming keyboard, and this is a review on the keyboard. I'll be showing you how to turn off and turn on the LEDs and the typing experience, and I'll be showing you the box as well, so yeah, stay tuned. Alright, so First of all, to turn on and off the lights, what you do is hold FN hold function, and home. Basically use these keys to control the lights. And yeah, what you should do is hold function, and to turn off the lights and turn on the lights, you hold function and home. You can also change the brightness of them. Use these ones. That one's to make it brighter. That one's to make it darker. And you hold FN, make it darker, and then make it brighter. Oh, whoopsie, I turned them off. And what also you can do is you can change the speed of the lights with these ones. As you can see, I'm making it slower. Now I'm making it brighter. Not brighter, faster. And with this one, what you can do is change the mode of it. With end, you could change the lighting mode. There's quite a few options that you can choose. Okay, now I'm going to do the typing experience. I should have set my microphone up for this, but it's fine. Also, guys, ignore what's on the the computer. I should have set my microphone up. I'm not a big fan of the spacebar. Yeah, guys, I don't usually do videos like this. I'm thinking of starting to do videos like this. This is my first ever video of tech, I'm pretty sure. I've never really done any review videos. Yeah, that's the typing experience. You could probably buy this for yourself if you want, guys. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's a nice keyboard. I bought it on Curry's for about £15, I'm pretty sure. It said the original price was £30, so what a deal, you know. I think they've made it, I think they've changed it to like 12 now. Oh yeah, guys, sorry, I forgot to show you the box. Here you go. It's a bit dark. Here you go. You probably don't care, to be fair. Here you go. These are the switches, by the way. Oh yeah, I'll show you the switches, wait. I'll remove this. If this camera can properly focus, then I might show you. Yep. Put it back. Yep, and this is the box. You could quickly pause the video to read this text. Oh yeah, and there's a little folder that shows you how to use the switches and stuff. That's how I learned how to do it. On the box it doesn't say for some reason, I don't know why. Yep, alright, see ya.